yung pagbabalik ni Pinky, ang naabutan kagad niya, yung ano,
Oo.
yung yung pambabastos doon ni Congressman Suntay. Yun ang gusto niyang pag-usapan, hindi yung dahig.
You know why? Because I think that, I feel, somebody might file an ethics complaint against him. Because pwedeng sabihin nila, I mean, the fact that Congresswoman Zamora said, I want that stricken out of the record, because she was obviously offended, and I'm sure a number of other women will be offended as well.
What do you think men will say? Ano sa tingin mo? Kasi ang sabi ni Ginoong Suntay, I am just stating a fact. What is lascivious about that?
Pero kasi mas conscious na tayo ngayon eh. Kaya may mga Safe Spaces Act, anti-catcalling ordinance sa Quezon City at iba pang lugar.
Pero wala doon si Ann Curtis. Although, binanggit yung pangalan niya.
So yung mga simpleng hirit na ganun,
Actually,
very
sa Safe Spaces Act,
sensitive
yun,
na tayo.
diba? Anti-bastos law yun.
Yes.
Meron yung suggestive sexual statements.
Oh.
That's under that.
I think so.
Yeah.
Suggestive sexual statements.
Yes, exactly.
Pumapaloob talaga yung sinabi ni Congressman Suntay doon.
Especially kung nakaramdam ng discomfort, uncomfortable ang isang
Oo.
subject.
At saka lahat ng babae na
At
nandoon
nakikinig.
sa
Hindi nila nagustuhan.
Room. Oo,
Hindi
hearing
nagustuhan.
room.
Well, at least si Congresswoman Zamora, definitely.
Yes. Oo, yung nag-iinit, di ba nagsabi siya ng
Yes,
ganun?
oo.
Nag-iinit, yung imagination
Yung desire
ko,
niya,
desire,
uminit,
oo,
oo.
mga ganyan. Ano?
Na-imagine ko parang kung anong, paano ba kung anong pwedeng mangyari. Pero syempre, imagination ko lang yun.
Oo.
Siguro, di ba, nag-imagine siya.
Oo, pero sana hindi na niya kinuwento yung i-imagine niya.
Ba't ba niya kailangan sabihin during a hearing?
Yes, oo.
You know,
Tama naman
if
yun.
you have imagined, syempre congressman ka eh, pwedeng sabihin unbecoming yun. And he was asking what doon sa statement niya, yung offensive, na ayaw ng patulan nung mga House members. Ayaw na
Right.
sabihin sa kanya kasi nag-rule na sila na it was struck out of the record. So there's no point in actually talking about it. I think from Congressman, wow, I forgot. Another congressman, a male congressman, was saying, tapos na eh, we decided on that, na-strike out na yan sa record, wala nang ano. There's no point in talking about it.
Meaning, well, I guess the basis could be his lack of remorse.
Could
diba?
be, yeah.
Could be the basis to file a complaint. Otherwise, wala na nga kung walang magko-complain.
Di ba pag ethics complaint, anyone can file that?
Anyone.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Whether a House member or a private citizen. I guess I wouldn't be surprised if somebody files a complaint against, an ethics complaint against him.
Posible yun. Welcome back!
Thank you!
You made it alive!
Oo, na-imagine ko naman na makakabalik din ako dito.
Buti na lang hindi ka na stranded.
Muntik na siyang
Oo.
ma-stranded
Oo.
because Dubai airport closed.
Yes, I was Amsterdam, Dubai, Manila. And then obviously nagsara yung airspace sa Middle Eastern countries. So, nagmadali ako, naghanap kaagad ako ng bagong ticket,
Good thinking.
tapos nakakuha naman ako.
You mean, if you had been delayed a little, baka naipit ka na.
Oh, sigurado.
Wow.
Kasi ubusan na ng tickets eh.
Oo.
I mean, your routes would be Asia, definitely. Or pwede rin may isa pa, parang Paris, Taiwan, Manila. Pero usually, it's Singapore, China, yung ganyan.
Oo nga.
Oh.
Pero sayang din, bakasyon grande sana si Pinky.
Pati Strait of Hormuz, sarado na.
Oo nga.
Hindi
Sabi
ka na
ni
pwede
Will explain.
Oo nga. Ano nga ba yung I will explain?
Thank you kay Pinky dahil
Siya ang
naka-copyright sa kanya.
Siya ang nag-isip
Oo.
nung I will explain.
Oo, kung may mga issue kayong gustong intindihin, gaya ng nangyari sa Kongreso kanina.
Ay, yung mga pangangaliwa ng mga mister, I will explain.
Nako,
Kaya mo
explain
yun?
to your missus in 24 hours why you should not be evicted of your
Bakit
beds.
namumula si Droy? Bakit?
Explain.
Hindi ka maka-explain, paturo ka kay Will.
Droy will not explain.
I will help you.
Actually, nag-umpisa sa'yo yan. Kasi parang tinatawag mo siyang si
Will.
Ernie.
Si Ernie Barong.
Oo.
Oo nga.
O, ayan.
Wala nakabarong ako.
Oo.
Subject
Kaya-kaya mo
matter
yan.
expert tuloy.
Correct. Makapagsuot na nga pa rin pati ng salamin para magmukhang genius.
Thank you sa mga suggestion ni Corina. May mga inputs din siya eh. Pinipm ako.
Oo, binibigay ko sa
Very
kanya.
good.
Sige, mag-explica
Ideas.
ka pa dyan.
Makikinig kami sa segment mong yan. Thank you.
Thank you.